Good morning everyone. My name is Shanez Wong from Group 3, and today I will present the business plan of our company, which is SewNice. SewNice is basically a newly established cloth manufacturing company that is located in Chung, Kedah. What is our product? We basically will offer a lot of fashionable and trendy clothes to everyone, regardless of their gender or age. We have everything for everyone. And then next, what's so special about our product? Our clothes, they are made of high quality fabric with beautiful design, and at the same time they are more affordable compared to other branded company. Next, for this part I will present our objective of our company business plan. So the first objective is of course to obtain financial support from private investor or the government. And since we are a new company, we need quite a lot of capital to expand our business. Then the second objective is to serve as a guideline for us to create and achieve our goal. So again, since we are a new company, we need to make sure that we move in the right direction to avoid wasting time and resources. And then the third objective is to identify our strengths and weaknesses. So for this part, usually we'll try to compare our company with another company in the same industry and see if there's any potential risk or threat. So for this part, we'll discuss it more detail in later on. Our last objective, which is financial planning. Later, in this business plan, we'll discuss our current financial status. What is our expected cash flow? What is our expected profit and loss, and so on. Next, in this part, I will show you our company value, or what we call the business value. The first one is quality control. Our clothes, they are made with high quality fabric, and sometimes we do a random sampling just to make sure that the production, they are up to the standard. And then the second one is integrity. Our employees, they are very hardworking, they are very honest, and they are dedicating to their work. And then the third one is creativity and innovation. When we are trying to design our clothes, usually we'll try to do some research and try to design it as creative as possible. And then the last one is customer satisfaction. We always treat customer like a king because they are the main contributor of our company profit. If there's any problem, usually we'll try to help them as much as possible. These four are our company value. Next, this is the second part of our business plan, which is our business summary. What is the purpose of our company? The purpose of our company is, of course, to expand our business and to gain reputation as a cloth manufacturer for its affordable price and fashion design, trendy design. So this is the purpose of our company. Next, this is the management team of our company. There's a director at the top, and below there we have Ka Yuen as our finance manager. Basically, she will manage our financial planning, the budget, the cash flow, the accounting record. And then the next one is Teik Loong. He is our operation manager. Basically, he will supervise our daily, the daily cloth manufacturing process, the production. And then the third one is Xin Ni as our administrative manager. Basically, she will handle all the admin work and the HR work as well. And then last one, we have Achana as our marketing manager. So she will be responsible for all the advertisement of our product. Next, this is the mission and the vision of our company. So for our mission, we want to produce a good market leader in retail industry and make our branding stay ahead of the fashion trend. And then next one, our vision, we aspire to be a good leader in the clothing and the retail industry with the highest standard in terms of design, manufacturing, quality, customer service. This is our vision and mission. So that's all for me. For the next part about market analysis, I'll pass it to the next presenter. So thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Archana. My metric number is 280251. I continue my group presentation with market analysis summary. We have market segmentation and market needs. First of all, we take a look on market segmentation. Market segmentation is a process of dividing customer into different categories based on distribution characteristics. There are four types of market segmentation, which is demographic, behavior, geographic, and psychographic that we used in our company. Let's we take a look on demographic segmentation. Under demographic segmentation, our company consider age, sex, material status, family size, occupation, education level, income, race, nationality, and religion. One of the advantages of this type of segmentation is the data is reasonable and easy to get and it's affordable. We focus on gender and ages since our company located at Chung Loong nearby a public university which is University Utara Malaysia. We have a lot of customers from that university. Today youth as well as some Chung Loong mixed generation people, we are focused on contemporary fashions. Our target market included people of all ages from adult to the elders. Next is behavior segmentation. Customers are segmented based on their behavior patterns when they are connected with our company. The goal of the behavior marketing is to figure out to meet the unique demand and perspective of different customers of group. Some form of behavior include internet buying habits. We disclose that public university students and Chung Loong peoples enjoy shopping online. This SewNice use this an online platform to market our product and let them purchase through it. This has allowed us to increase our business profit. Third is about geographic segmentation. It's based on geographic and can help us to better understanding about our customer demand and provided located specific adverts. The most of the fundamental is identify user based on the factors such as climate, population density, and whether they are live in urban or suburban or rural settings. As a marketers, we are aware that customers' apparel taste variants across the religions or geographic area. Our company choose Chung Loong as our store because they are nearby religion is a urban area. Last view is about psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation is similar to demographic segmentation, but it's focused on mental and emotional traits. This characteristic can provide us which is important insight into the motivation, interest and demand of our target audience. For example, we will design and offer the clothes that appropriate for the all generation in order to match their lifestyle requirements. We have more Muslim customers in Chung Loong because it is a city and we have a bigger needs for the clothing that is suitable for the Muslims. Next, we are move on into market needs. Our company determined that the customers' targets need people nowadays require clothing that is easy to put on and that does not wrinkles. They are require attire that is up to date and attractive as well as apparel that is the keeping within the trend like Korean fashion. As a result, we believe that our company can meet their needs and provide them with satisfying through our clothes. To keep our business effective, we will continue upgrading our clothing to keep up with the new trends. Our company identified that the following demand of the target market that should be considered as well, which is price. Based on the current COVID-19 issue, our company provided fair price for the trendy apparel that will be sold to the customers. The corporation consider how high the product selling price should be in order to ensure that it will be within our client's budget. Customer will be given the reasonable price when the purchasing our product from our company. Last but not least, our company should consider is convenience. Customer always desire to convene the solutions and they are willing to spend more if it's for the product are satisfying. For example, customers are diligent to the purchase things online rather than wasting their time to shopping in the store. Even though they are aware that they will be have to pay the additional cost for the delivery, it does not deter that from acquiring online products because they are find out that it's quite pleasure and convenience to stay at home, especially during this COVID period. As a result, a business should provide a customer with the ideal platform such as Shopee website to engage with them whenever they are.
My name is Ka Loong, metric number is 279926. Now I'm going to present the strategy and implementation summary. First of all, there are some marketing strategy for SewNice to enter the market. The first marketing strategy is launching a series of publicity. As a newly established business, SewNice has to put some effort to promote its brand and products. Therefore, the company should conduct both online and offline advertising to get closer to different type of customers. Advertising can make people familiar with the brand as well as the products. Besides that, the company can run a loyalty program to attract more customers. By offering some special rewards such as vouchers and coupons to customers, the customer will feel appreciated and it will encourage them to buy from the company again. This strategy can help SewNice to retain the customer in the long run. Other than that, the company can hire a well-known celebrity as a spokesperson for the company. The influence of celebrities is a powerful tool in promoting the brand awareness. It can help the company to generate a lot of attention and increase the exposure of product. The last marketing strategy is opening an official social media account. Social media such as Instagram and TikTok is the best way for the company to reach people. The company can use it social media account to interact with customer and share the latest information of products. Next, this is the sales forecast for April, May, and June. Clothing can be considered a seasonal product. In April, the sales of clothing including shirt and pants is expected to grow significantly due to the celebration of Hari Raya Aidilfitri in early May. After that, the clothing sales in May will drop drastically as the end of Hari Raya Aidilfitri. However, it's expected to increase again in June because of the celebration of Hari Raya Haji in July. Next is the SWOT analysis for SewNice company. Based on the SWOT analysis, some sales strategy has been identified to increase the sales revenue of the company. The first sales strategy is offering a competitive price to attract more customers. As a developing country, most Malaysians are from the middle income groups as well as low income groups. In order to enter the market in Malaysia, SewNice has to offer their product at cheaper prices to attract people buy the products. This strategy can also increase the competitiveness of the products to help SewNice survive in the competition with big companies. Besides that, SewNice has to diversify the products range, not only shirt and pants. The company can consider to offer other apparel products such as footwear, hats, accessories, and others to meet the various needs of customers. Offering different type of product can attract customers with different demands. Apart from that, SewNice can provide some special promotion to stimulate the demand for particular products. Sales promotion can help the company to boost the sales revenue in the short term. The special promotion, such as the limited time discount, can persuade the potential customers to buy the product. Last but not least, SewNice should focus on online business as well. Conducting business on online shopping platforms such as Shopee and Lazada can greatly increase the sales revenue because there are no access restriction to the online store. The online store is open for 24 hours a day. Therefore, the customer can buy the products from SewNice anytime and anywhere. That's all for the strategy and implementation summary. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Xin Ni and my metric number is 280762. Here, I would like to present the break-even analysis and the business ratio. For the break-even analysis, first of all, we will have a look at the selling price, variable cost, and the fixed cost to find the break-even point and then to the CVP analysis. Before that, we need to calculate the contribution margin. For the shirts, the contribution margin is 35 ringgit and the ratio is 87.5%. While for the pants, the contribution margin is 45 ringgit and the ratio is 90%. Next, we can calculate the break-even point for the shirt is 24,000 ringgit and the unit in break-even point is 600 units. While for the pants, its break-even point is 23,333 ringgit and the unit in break-even point is 467 units. Next, we will have a look at the CVP graph. So, we will have a look to the CVP graph for the shirts. From the equation, we can see the profit is equal to 35 ringgit of the contribution margin times with the unit of sales and then minus the fixed cost, which is 21,000 ringgit. From the CVP graph, we can see the intersection point between the line sales revenue and the line total cost. It is the break-even point where it is 24,000 ringgit at 600 units of sales. Next, we continue to the CVP graph for the pants. For the equation, we can see the profit is equal to 45 ringgit of the contribution margin times with the unit of sales and then minus the fixed cost, which is 21,000 ringgit. It is a bit different from the shirts as the selling price of the shirts and pants is different. From the CVP graph, we can see the intersection point between the line sales revenue and the line total cost. It is the break-even point where it is 23,333 ringgit at 467 units of sales. Nextly, we go to the business ratio. There are three measures for the business ratio and I will show it one by one. So for the first one is profitability ratio. It measures the ability of a given company to generate income or division for a given period of time. It has gross profit margin, net profit margin, and return on asset. The gross profit margin in total is 37.81%, while the net profit margin is 22.79%. Both ratio indirectly measures how well a company manages its expense relative to its net sales. Next, the return on asset shows 25.36%. It measures how effectively management has fulfilled this responsibility. Secondly is the liquidity ratio. It has current ratio and quick ratio. The current ratio is 4.1197, which means the company's current assets are 4.1197 times more than its current liabilities. It measures a firm's short-term debt paying ability with its current assets, while the quick ratio is 4.3189, which means the company's quick assets are 4.3189 times compared with the current liabilities. It measures the ability of a company to pay its current liabilities when they come due with quick assets. Lastly is the leverage ratio, which is used to measure the company's ability to meet its debt and other obligations. It indicates whether a company's cash flow is sufficient to meet its short-term and long-term liabilities. It has debt-to-asset ratio and debt-to-equity ratio. The debt-to-asset ratio shows 0.2003, which means the company has more assets than the liabilities and could pay off its obligation by selling assets if it needed to, while the debt-to-equity ratio shows 0.2504, which means the company has more equity than the liabilities. The greater the debt-equity ratio is, the riskier the company is as an investment. So that's all for our presentation for Project 1. Thank you.